Hi, friends. This is your friend, Jay Flores, to do another weekly analysis. Um, I started doing this analysis back again last week, and my approach to my trading now is a little bit different than it was, I would say, a year or 2 years ago. What I'm doing now is just a little longer time frames. I'm using the daily and 4 hour. Sometimes I go to the 1 hour, but my bias, I always try to make sure where the daily is to take trades that way. We're going to go there going right away. Last week, we were about this area over here in the 1.0940s. And as I was saying, I was expecting the market to do a retracement. Obviously, I don't go into trades right away. I have rules, like I use Bollinger Bands. I want to see that it's all the way in the extreme on the Bollinger Bands. I also go to the 4 hour, preferably. On the 4 hour, I like to see uh, some sort of divergence to go on the up. The market in the 4 hour and Friday started turning over here. Um, but I'm in this trade pretty much as we speak. And I'm expecting the market at least go to, at least 3/4 of the way to 50% of this range right here. If I use the Fibonacci dimensions right here, we got a 50%. So I would like the markets at least to go anywhere in the 80% retracement. That would be great. So that's what I'm expecting still this week. You got to be very patient with, well, at least when you're trading the daily and the 4 hour, because you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Sometimes I'm not gonna lie to you. I enter kind of early. I don't wait for my another alert or another hint that the market is about to start turning. But I just go into drawdown and it doesn't affect me no more like it used to emotionally. I can't wait. I can't even enter the market here. I'll wait until it comes back. It always does. I don't use stop loss no more. Yeah, if normally if you're going with the daily bias, most of the time the market is going to give you, at the worst, it's going to give you break even. Um, like I hope I can show you my trades in my phone. But since I started doing this approach a little longer time and smaller lots, it doesn't affect me emotionally anymore, and I've been winning trades over and over. So let's look at this one. Still, waiting for that retracement um, in the USD, Euro USD. Let's go to GPUSD real quick. On this one, also, we have a breaker structure right here. And this one, I like it a little bit better because of the fact, in the 4 hour at least. Let's look at the daily. Broken structure. We have a daily trend up. I know we're oversold on the RSI in the daily. 4 hour, we do have a divergence. I like this kind of trades right here. So again, I'm waiting for this one to at least go at least as minimum to the 50% or at least 75, maybe this area right here, possibly. And that'll be a very good trade. Just got to be patient, that's all. AUDUSD. And this one, the story is a little bit different. My daily bias on this one is up. Um, as you can see, we have broken structures clearly. Um, so the market, it broke the structure and I was doing that retracement. If I go to the 4 hour and I put my my Bollinger Bands, oversold, had divergence. So it'll be a very good trade. Keep on the up. Okay, so it's a good trade to go into it. Even if you go lower, who cares? I mean, the market always going to go back to you. NCD USD. Let me get this volume bands off. Sometimes they're in the way. On this one, obviously, the last broken structure that I found on the daily is this one right here. So this automatically, it will be our height, and we are waiting for our low or a confirmed low, and that happens when we have a divergence or in the lower time frames, for example, either 1 hour or even 15 minutes. If we have a break of structure to the up, I mean, it confirms our low. But I just mark it there because that's a possible low right now. So we don't know yet. But I'm looking for trades up in the NCD USD. USD JPY. I'm looking for sales on the USD JPY. I'm waiting for the market to at least to come to this zone or even lower to these zones over here. My daily bias is, in this case, is definitely low. We have a on the daily we have a broken structure right there. Okay, so we are going low, but that doesn't mean you can trade retracements. Yeah, you absolutely you can do that. So I'm waiting for the market to do a retracement, at least in 4 hours to complete this retracement on the USD JPY. USD CAD, our daily broken structure to the low, and this is already confirmed as as our low because we have broken structure very clearly. In the 4 hours, this was a very good trade that we took, especially because we had some sort of divergence in these areas over here for your USD. Your odd, our daily is, let me check. I haven't checked this one for a while. Broken structure to low. Now it's doing that retracement. I'm waiting for the market to hit. Let me go to 4 hour. I'm waiting for the market to at least visit this 1.6579. These areas over here. Kind of market my expectations, anyways. It's just something that there are high chances the market's gonna go up there. And the last one that I'm gonna check is gold. As we know, we have a broken structure again to the up or up. Broken structure right there. Let me mark it right now. So once we have a broken structure, I'll put it on the 4 hour so we can mark it better. Once we have a broken structure, it confirms the low. That's going to be our low. And we're waiting for the market, and the daily is already overbought, and it's looking for us like it might turn this week. It might continue going up, but it is due for another at least retracement. We're trying to wait for the right timing for this. The 4 hour, I prefer, like I said, I prefer to have divergence in the RSI. So my best scenario for me would be that the market does this, and then the market does another high, and then we will have a divergence. That way I can start looking for trades in or to sell pretty much the gold. Well, thank you very much, friends, for your watching my videos. Let's confirm. Obviously, this video is because our longer time or term they're probably going to confirm my directions in sometimes in a week, sometimes in a couple weeks. But that's what it takes to do this kind of trading, 4 hour and daily trades. And sometimes we're going to go on a drawdown. It doesn't matter. It's always going to go our way. Thank you very much, folks. Safe week. Trade safely with only the percentage that you can afford to lose. Um, but it's been good. It's been good. Thank you so much. See you guys next week.